Alright guys, so y'all know what's going on here. So pretty much, I've already done some of the stuff for us. I went with the new update that just came out, and we bought the Firebird, alright? New car, just released. So what we're gonna do today, I need to set this somewhere. Right there, will be fine. And, we're gonna work on us. Firebird has some history. Nice old school. Okay. But yeah, not gonna lie. I want to make it red. That's what I'm gonna do. Go for a red setup. But no, I already have one of the updates cars. Really nice car actually. It's the Hot Rod. I'll show you when we get there. But it was a Rocket Bunny. It has some type of engine. Don't remember. But we will when we get back. Oh yeah, you all can tell I've been playing this game a lot. I've been pulling datas from all my other accounts. And then, because I had to get a new phone. Again. Brush. Yeah. Let's give it like that old look, you know what I mean? Do we want to go racing or drag? I'm feeling drag. It's old. To give it a mean look. But you know what I mean? Alright, so that's the LA. That's the engine right there. Pretty much. Oh yeah, I like these new ones. They're limited. I'm buying limited stuff. Yeah, so I'm thinking we're gonna go with that. It's on the hood. Look for red rims that would look cool. Because I don't really like some of them. Like, we can put more oh, were those rainbow? Hold up. We're making a rainbow. And look, rainbow wheels as you go. That's crazy. 336 racing, and that's more like race cars. Those are pink. Those I'm not really feeling those. Oh wow. I mean, those were red. Well, there, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, you guys know me. Gotta get red suspension too. Alright, this just goes straight to the back. Buy those. Alright, so then. Oh yeah, so this is gonna be a mean looking car, guys. You might not think that, but trust me, it will. All I do is build cars. And then make some. Alright, see? Alright, so. Oh yeah, that's the rat rod. But this is our main focus today. I knew that wasn't gonna work. Oh yeah, that looks old. That's tail light. Equipped. I'm guessing you can't have that on here. If I'm guessing correctly. You know, y'all don't realize the tires are not too bad. They give you more gription. And the only reason I go with 3s for heights, because when I lower it all the way, it just don't look right. That looks nice. Oh yeah, the sleeper. Oh my god. When you all see the sleeper, bro, that's gonna probably be in the next video when we drive them all. But no, the sleeper, you all will see why it's called the sleeper. Front wheel drive Honda Civic. Like, I'm gonna win. You know, we've done all of this. You know, I don't need this face camera no more. But okay, drag. No, watch a minute. I'm gonna need it. Throw it down. Gone. Sleeper, bro. Bet. Even $1,000. They just said $1,000 for that race right there, guys. So, yeah. I'll show you. I've never taken this one out on the track yet, because I've always been scared to. But I guess we'll see how good it runs on the track. Oh, that was slow. Oh, this race tells me this is not gonna end well. You know this is just a street racing rat rod? Well, that seems to be the end of today's video. Next time we'll be doing these two. And maybe buying another car, I don't know. We will find out. Peace.